The first photos of the upcoming DJI Mini. For Pro compact drone weighing only 249 grams and the new DJI RC to remote control have appeared on the web. The main differences between the new model and its predecessor are support for image transmission via the OcuSync 4.0 communication protocol and an improved obstacle detection system. Despite the lack of an official release date for the new product, leaks point to its imminent announcement. DJI, a leader in the production of consumer drones, is in the final stage of development of a new mini-series drone. According to leaks, the new model will be called DJI Mini for Pro and will replace the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Recently, the @QUADRO_news account on the X social network provided information about the European price of the new drone, as well as photos of the device with RC to remote control. So far, the authenticity of the photos has not been established, but the source has often confirmed its reliability by getting information from Chinese social networks. According to @Quadro_news, the Mini for Pro drone will be priced at €999 when bundled with the RC to remote, which is effectively the same price as its predecessor with the RC remote. DJI will also offer the Mini for Pro Fly More combo kit for €1129, which will include two batteries, a charger, a carrying bag, and an extra set of propellers. One of the significant innovations in the DJI Mini for Pro is support for OcuSync 4.0 technology, first implemented in the DJI R3 model. This technology allows you to transmit images up to 20 kilometers away with a maximum resolution of 1080p at 60 frames per second. The drone will also get 360-degree obstacle detection thanks to upgraded sensors. Users can expect support for HDR video and slow-motion shooting at up to 4000 resolution and 100 FPS. Unfortunately, the exact release date of the novelty is still unknown, but the appearance of photos suggests that the announcement is not far off.